Hi, I'm Joseph Wong. When it comes to communications training, we are spoiled for choice. There are so many programs out there, yet I'm here to give you two reasons you should attend this brand new workshop specially designed for trainers. This workshop is titled Command the Room, Elevate Your Speaking Influence. Let me ask you, what's your competitive advantage? What differentiates you from your peers? If you already have great content, how do you become a differentiated, the best trainer for this content? So here's what's different about Command the Room. First, in 20 to 30 seconds of you reading a passage to me, I can tell you precisely what areas of your speech you need to work on to become the best trainer in your field. Yes, it means in this class, every one of you will have a different improvement goal. Throughout this two-day workshop, you will get plenty of practice to improve incrementally. The second reason you should attend this workshop is this is probably the only communications training for working adults in Singapore that uses phonetics as a tool. While we learn the how in most communications courses, Command the Room also teaches you the why. For instance, why there's a T sound in LinkedIn and why it's St. James's Park and not St. James Park. These 2 days are packed with new discoveries about English speech. It's these subtle skills that make you noticeably different. To me, the most important reason is that Command the Room allows you to work on your specific areas of improvement to get you closer to becoming the best trainer in your field. I confidently say this is the only workshop of its kind available. Pick a date that suits you, and I look forward to meeting you in my class.